one in the books. Rolling out into Grove here. Nice day of 53 miles, 2,200 feet of climbing. A couple little challenging ones, nothing too bad, and a bunch of rollers along the way. What a fun experience as a newbie. Awesome to see 15,000 people out on bikes and enjoying the day. Really a good vibe, positive atmosphere around it, and looking forward to day 2.
Come on, everybody. That's good. Brass monkey, that funky monkey. Brass monkey, junkie, that funky monkey.
So here's our first day, and our lunch stop is Mr. Pork Chop. So you can hear the screams of car up. It means there's a car coming. The roads aren't closed. The smart local residents don't stick around. Bike off.
Bike off now.
Stumbling off. Here at the main campground, settling in for the night. But if we're going to talk about food at Ragbrai, which is a big thing, we eat a lot of food, but we eat Mr. Pork Chop as well. Mr. Pork Chop is a Ragbrai staple, always set up along the route at a farm. Today's stop was really unique, had a lot of different vendors as well as Mr. Pork Chop. Pork Chop is great, but even better is the speed of service. They were cranking them out super fast, and it was a great stop. Nice quick lunch.